In this video, I will try to get above 10 kills with a pistol, and I will not stop this video until I not get. So please watch till the end. And yeah, make sure to like and share with your friends. It means to me a lot. Let's start.
Hardpoint contested. Hardpoint contested.
Enemy contact back up!
Enemy down!
UAV online.
Tango down! Target down! I'm hurt!
Hardpoint contested.
Back up! Enemy down!
Sentry gun deployed.
Enemy down!
Hardpoint identified.
Enemy down!
Hardpoint locked down.
Target down! I'm hurt! Target's in sight!
Friendly stealth chopper inbound.
I'm hurt! Need backup!
Need backup!
Hostiles have the hardpoint.
Changing mag!
Hardpoint is ours. Hardpoint contested.
Tango down! Changing mag! Changing mag! Target down! Changing mag! Grenade! Reloading!
UAV online. Hardpoint contested.
Need backup! Reloading!
Hardpoint contested.
Enemy down! Enemy contact!
Friendly sentry gun
Need
deployed.
backup! Enemy down!
Hardpoint identified. Hardpoint locked down. Hardpoint contested. Hardpoint lost. Hardpoint is ours. Stealth chopper inbound.
I'm hurt!
Hardpoint contested.
Tango down! Enemy down! Reloading!
Hardpoint locked down.
Contact with enemy! Need backup! Tango down! Changing mag! Enemy down! I'm hurt! Target down!
UAV online.
Enemy
Objective
down!
almost complete. Keep it up.
I'm hurt!
Need backup!
Hardpoint contested.
I'm hurt! Target's in sight!
Hardpoint contested.
Need backup!
Hardpoint contested.
Tango down! Tango down!
Hardpoint contested.
So in the end, I have got 15 kills. And if you look closely, my name in the leaderboard is P applies. And if you zoom in, so is in front of you. 15 kills. That means above 10 kills. That's I told you.